Hello, brilliant minds. Welcome to another exciting adventure of brain-bending challenges. Today, we're diving into some incredible math puzzles designed to stretch your thinking and sharpen your skills. Brain, light bulb. Are you ready to solve mysteries, uncover patterns, and prove your genius? Let's jump right in. The mystery number. Here's your first challenge. I'm thinking of a number. If you multiply it by 5 and then subtract 7, you get 28. What's the number? Thoughtful face, let's break it down together. We'll call the number x. So, 5 times x minus 7 equals 28. Add 7 to both sides, 5x equals 35. Divide by 5. And the answer is 7. Did you get it right? Fantastic. Let's keep going. The fruit equation. Next up is the fruit equation. Red apple, banana, grapes, each fruit represents a number. An apple equals 2, a banana equals 3, and a grape equals 5. Here's the challenge. What's the total if you have 3 apples, 4 bananas and 2 grapes? Here's how it works. 3 apples equal 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 4 bananas equal 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. 2 grapes equal 5 plus 5 equals 10. Add them all together, 6 plus 12 plus 10 equals 28. Brilliant work if you got it right. The triangle number riddle. This one's tricky. Look at this triangle. Each number at the top is the sum of the 2 numbers directly below it. Can you figure out the missing number at the top of the triangle? Pause, with a timer and a hint popping up. Here's the solution. If the numbers at the bottom are 6 and 8, the number at the top is their sum, 14. Well done if you cracked it. Math detective. It's time to become a math detective. Detective, solve this. I'm a 3-digit number. My tens digit is 3 times my ones digit. My hundreds digit is twice my tens digit. What number am I? Let's solve it step by step. 1. If my tens digit is 3 times my ones digit, and my hundreds digit is twice my tens digit, let's try 1 as the ones digit. 2. The tens digit becomes 3. So, the number is 631. Great detective work if you solved that. Speed round. Let's test your speed with these quick questions. Answer as fast as you can. 1. What's 9 times 6? 2. What's 100 divided by 4? Here are the answers. 4. 9 times 6 is 54. 5. 100 divided by 4 is 25. 6. If you eat half of 12, you're left with 6 cookies. 6. Great speed. The logical ladder. Here's your final challenge. Imagine a ladder with 10 steps. If you climb up 2 steps, then down 1 step, then up 3 steps, how many steps have you climbed in total? Let's break it down. 1. Up 2 steps takes you to step 2. 2. Down 1 step brings you to step 1. So, The total is 4 steps. Well done. That's it for today's math adventure, Problem Solvers. How many puzzles did you conquer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these challenges, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you'll never miss a new brain-teasing video. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay awesome. Bye for now, waving hand, Sparkles.